Class 9th Federal Board. Today's our topic is unit number 7, Sultan Ahmad Masjid, and the learning outcomes here. By the end of this unit, students will know about the historical places around the world, know about the Blue Masjid Istanbul, Turkey, appreciate Muslim architecture, describe any monument in their own words. So first of all, today we are start the reading of the chapter number 7, Sultan Ahmad Masjid. So here at page number 74, that is first paragraph is that the Sultan Ahmad Masjid is one of the most impressive monuments in the world. It is also known as a Blue Masjid because of the blue tiles that embellish its interior. Situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey and the capital of Ottoman Empire from 1453 to 1923. It has become the most popular tourist attraction. So in first paragraph, that is, we learn who was the Ottoman and what is the importance of Ottoman Empire in the history of Turkey. The first is the Ottoman Empire is our biggest empire in this world because of their rule 453 to 923. And the most important thing is the Ottoman Empire, that is the Blue Mosque. So here the first is the most powerful and the most impressive monuments in this world, that is Ottoman Empire and also the Sultan Ahmad Masjid and the embellished and situated in Istanbul, and also the most popular tourist attraction. Second one is that it was constructed between 609 and 1616 during the rule of Ahmad I. As was the custom, this masjid, like other masajid of the time, comprises a tomb of the founder, a madrasa and a hospice. Third one is that construction of the masjid started in 609. The royal architect Sidi for Mehmed Aga was appointed by the Sultan as in charge of the project. The completion of the masjid in his life, it was completed in the region of his successor Mustafa I. So जो सुल्तान अहमद मस्जिद है उसका काम भी स्टार्ट हुआ था 1609 में, और उनका जो रॉयल जो उनका जो खानदानी आर्किटेक्ट था जो महमद आगा, वो इस काम के लिए अपॉइंट किया था सुल्तान अहमद ने, जो इस प्रोजेक्ट के हेड थे, और ऐसे ही मसाजिद पूरी तुर्की में उन्होंने बनवाए एज पर द रूल ऑफ ऑटोमन एम्पायर. एंड दैट इज इट फॉर ब्लू मस्जिद मींस the Sultan Ahmad Mosque reflects the architectural style of the both Ottoman Masjid and Byzantine Church. Hagia Sophia, a masjid, one of the wonders of Muslim architecture. यहाँ पर एक दूसरी बात भी है, जैसे हम बेजमेंटन यानी कि हागिया सोफिया जो चर्च है उसकी लोकेशन और ऑटोमन मस्जिद जो है, इन दोनों का जो स्टाइल है, कलर है, ये सब सेम रखा गया. मीन्स ये उस वक्त का बहुत मुस्लिम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एक जो है ना वो जो सकाफती लिहाज से देखे या उनकी जो है वो सोच या उनके जो है ना वो आर्किटेक्चर देखे, तो इन दोनों में कोई खासा फर्क नहीं है. उसके बाद हम आते हैं ब्लू मस्जिद. इवन टुडे इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अनमैच्ड एंड स्प्लेंडर, मैजेस्टी एंड साइज. ब्लू मस्जिद की बहुत बड़ी जो है ना वो ये भी बात है कि वो बेमिसल है शान शौकत के हिसाब से, और उसकी अजमत आज भी ऑटोमन एम्पायर और तुर्की में मानी जाती है. द मस्जिद हैज स्पेशियस forecourt surrounded by a continuous value arcade. It has ablution facilities on both sides. In the center there is fountain which is rather small and contrasts with the magnitude of the country road. A heavy iron chain hangs the upper part of the court entrance on the western side. This side was meant for the Sultan alone. The chain was put there on that the Sultan had lowered his head every time he entered the court. It was the symbolic gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of the divine. इनके अहाते में एक बहुत बड़ा चेन का जो है वो एक के लिए, तो सुल्तान अहमद ने वो मस्जिद में लगवाया था ताकि जैसे ही वो एंटर हो तो अपना सर नीचे करके जाएं। और ये सिंबल था कि मीन्स कि सुल्तान अहमद का जो बादशाही रूल है वो इस तरह हो कि वो सर झुका के पूरे तुर्की के आवाम के लिए, और एज ऑटोमन एम्पायर वो सिंबल था कि वी आर सर्व ह्यूमैनिटी एंड वी आर ऑटोमन एंड वी आर गिविंग every facility the peoples of Ottoman. So first today we are reading 5 paragraphs, and inshallah on next lecture we are reading other paragraphs.